Hello,
Hi, Papa!
Mamas! On this video, we will be discussing all about sheet mask.
Oh, shit!
It has contents and ingredients that can address certain skin conditions. So what we're going to apply as a face mask or sheet mask to Jec is from Misha that we bought in South Korea when we went there, and it is shea butter. Now, shea butter is a fat that is extracted from the nuts of a shea tree or shea tree. Ayan. So, ang maganda sa kanya is that it is okay to be used by all kinds of skin types, and it is very moisturizing. So, nag-wash na ng face si Jec, and then normally, ang Korean skincare routine, you normally place a toner. But since Jec doesn't like additional skincare routine steps, he can go directly to shea butter. Ayan. So, sige, strip mo na. Buksan mo yung... Ayan. Tapos ako maglalagay sa kanya. Ayan. Yes. So, mapapansin nyo, it's full of its juiciness. Ayan. Huwag kayong mag-alala, mga mamas and papas, malinis na yan. So, mapapansin nyo is that it is full of serum. Ayan. Galing-galing. And it is on the shape of the face.
Okay, may
so,
mata at ilong.
Correct. Ayan.
Paano kung tatlo yung mata?
Ayan. Ang napapansin ko dito, talagang ano siya, tinan mo yung consistency niya, di ba? Ayan, punong-puno siya. So, harap ka sa akin.
So, ay, wala nga yan. Back or front?
Wala. It doesn't matter. So, what you're going to do is you just place it on your forehead.
Lamig.
Ayan, di ba sarap? Ayan. Tapos, try to position it na naka-expose yung eyes mo. Ayan. Ayan. Di ba masarap? Ayan.
Hindi ko nalasahan eh.
Teka.
Ayan, nalasahan ko na. Papanit.
Kasi serum siya eh. Ayan. So, ayan. So, this is, I think, a fiber. Ayan. So, ano ba yun? Ba't kinain mo na? Ano ba yun? Kinain mo na. Ayan. Ito yung medyo, ang ano ko dito is that, hindi katulad nung trinay ko yung mga ibang facial sheet mask na serum. Ano siya, madali siyang parang, hindi, yung parang kumbaga, ilapat sa mukha. Okay. So,
kilala niyo pa ba?
Ayan. So, normally, ayan, kasi sayang yung alam mo, mga mamaps and papaps, sayang yung serum na nanggagaling sa mask. So, ayan, gusto mo, kunin mo yan, tapos lagay mo sa liig mo, hanggang dito sa, yan, sige, kasi sayang yung, niyan. Kunin mo yung serum niya, kasi sayang. Oo, kasi, yung juice niya eh. Sayang, ganyan ginagawa ko. Tapos minsan, ang ginagawa ko, mga mamaps and papaps, bago ko tanggalin, bago ko itapon yung sheet mask, inilalagay ko rin siya sa legs ko, sa foot ko, kasi sayang eh. On this brand, it states 15 to 20 minutes. So, magre-relax muna si Jec, and we will come back once we take it off from his face. Okay. Mga mamaps, while we're waiting for Jec to finish his sheet mask treatment, here are some of the sheet masks that I personally tried. Hindi lang ikaw ang guinea pig dito, okay?
Hey.
So, here's the green tea milk one pack that I tried. Then, I also tried Innisfree, my real squeeze mask. Yan. And then, the pureness of by Tony Moly Mask. And the last one is the Real Power Cheek Up Mask. Ayan. And then, this is the photo naman for the clay type of face mask, which is my very favorite, Manuka Honey. Ayan. So, finish na ang 15 minutes. yeah. Mga mamas, papas, this is the problem when the sheet doesn't really stay put on your face, especially si Jec who keeps on moving. O sige, pwede mo lang tanggalin. Ayan. Tapos, once you tanggal, di ba?
Buray mo ako?
Then now, you spread it. Yan. So, yun. Yan. You spread it all over. Tapos ito, ipahid mo sa lahat ng part ng skin mo. Sayang kasi yung juice. Ayan, o, di ba? Oo.
Ganun ba talaga to?
Oo, ganyan yan. Yan yung mga mamas and papas so that you can maximize the nice ingredients that you have on your sheet mask. Para sa akin personally, mga mamas and papas, the value of the sheet mask is not more on the type of sheet that they use, although it is important. But my most important part is the ingredients. Ayan. Like for example, yan ng shea butter that you had on your face mask, it is also antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. So kung may skin irritation ka, like yan, yung redness, it will help. Ayan. Oo, may redness ka doon. Ayan. Ayun. So, may skin irritation. Now, after you spread, itap mo ganito, Jer. Itap mo. Ayan. Para yung, yan. Itap mo gano'n, no? Itap mo para ma-absorb nung skin mo. Yan. Ganito, oh. Ayan.
Kaya talaga gano'n.
Oo. Kasi, hindi, wag mo lang ipasok na ganyan. Talagang itap mo, di ba? Para all the juiciness, will be absorbed by your skin. And then, mga mamaps and pop-ups, after you apply, so, una cleanse, and then for men, kung wala kayong iba pang in between, you do the face mask, okay, the sheet mask, and then after that, pag sa evening kasi ang gagawin, you have now to make sure that all the nice ingredients that you applied on your skin coming from the sheet mask will not just evaporate. So, do not go beyond the required minutes that it should be on your skin. And then, you have to protect it by using a moisturizer. Ayan. So, these are some of the samples of the moisturizer. On this one, which is my favorite, this is another type of mask wherein it is sleeping mask, so that yung your skin is hydrated while you're sleeping. So ayan, so maglalagay na ngayon ng moisture sige, kunin mo. Maglalagay na ngayon ng moisture. Now, iganon mo siya. Tapos, you spread it now on your face. Ayan. So, ayan, kulang parang konti.
Marami pa kasi yung
yung alin?
serum na.
Hindi, that's the best nga. Kasi pag, ayan pa mga mamaps and pop-ups, the best, don't allow your skin to be totally dry when you're applying skin products, because it is best absorbed by the skin when it is still moist. Ayan.
So, hayaan mo siyang ganyan?
Ano mo siya. Yan. Itap. Galing. Sabi nga ni Jec, nagiging metrosexual daw siya. Yan, di ba? What do you feel, Jec?
Pag ganyan yan, next time, ano yun?
Ano?
Facial value by Jean and Jec.
Pero yan ang mga misconception, mamas and papas. Especially for men. You know, you still need to take care of your skin. Especially when you reach the age of 35. In my opinion, di ba? So, yan! Good! Yung mga ilagay nyo sa hands nyo, kasi these are where aging first show on your hands, on your neck, on your eyes, ayan. Okay. So, ayan mga mamas and pop-ups, the skin, the facial sheet mask is a good additional skincare step for your routine, especially for men, because you don't have to really apply it every day. And then, yes, you can do it once a week or twice a week. And then if you're getting used to it, you can even do it 3 times. I believe this is the best way to introduce additional product on your skincare routine to address a specific stuff on your skin. Yan yung concern. Yan. Specific concern. So anyway, mga mamaps and papaps, if you want us to do more of this kind of videos on how to age well, do comment below. And if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And then, if you like Jec and I to continually produce videos for facial value, do click the subscription. And Jec, your favorite, yes. Once you subscribe, click the notification bell. Okay, so mga mamas and papas, do this skincare routine while we are forced not to work, not to do anything, staying at home because of the situation in COVID-19. Please don't forget also to watch that video on my suggestion on how to be a productive part of containing this virus and doing it properly. Okay, mga mamas and papas, bye-bye!